Found a 20i file in an installer package? This is a compiled InstallShield installation script. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll explain how to handle these InstallShield compiled script files. Near the end, we'll discuss the essential features of a professional-grade 2.0i file inspection tool that supports hundreds of other formats as well. 2.0i. Files are compiled installation scripts created by InstallShield, a professional installation development tool from Flexera Software. They contain compiled instruction sequences for software installation processes, including file copying, registry modifications, shortcut creation, and other installation tasks executed during software setup. 2.0i. Files use InstallShield's proprietary compiled script format with binary instructions for the InstallShield runtime engine. The format includes encoded installation logic file deployment sequences, registry operations, and user interface definitions required for executing complete software installation procedures. The 2.0i format has primary linkage to the InstallShield application by Flexera. The embedded data needs a specialized parser to be read correctly. Windows cannot interpret scripting languages automatically, requiring the proper toolset. To guarantee file access, right-click your 2.0i file and select Open With. If InstallShield is an option, test it. If it's not available, choose another program. We are trying to force the file open with a compatible application. If you cannot access the 2.0i file, no problem. This is where the real troubleshooting begins. Let's challenge the file by testing these known weak points to find out where the error is coming from. First, running with InstallShield. Execute 20i files through InstallShield setup launchers, which interpret the compiled script and perform installation operations. The script typically runs as part of a complete installer package with associated data files. Direct execution requires the InstallShield runtime environment to interpret the compiled instructions. Next, examining in hex editor. Open 20i files in HXD or another hex editor to inspect the binary structure for analysis purposes. Look for embedded text strings file references and recognizable patterns. This analysis helps understand installer behavior for security review or troubleshooting installation issues with the InstallShield package. Finally, decompiling scripts. Use InstallShield development tools to decompile or analyze 20i files, reconstructing the original installation script source. This requires InstallShield Developer or Studio software for proper decompilation. The decompiled script enables modification or analysis of installer logic for development and troubleshooting purposes. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. An effective path forward often involves using a format-agnostic utility that is designed to prioritize actual data content over the potentially misleading extension name. Our troubleshooting is complete. The failure of the previous step suggests a need for superior format intelligence. FileMagick is my recommendation for professional-grade access. FileMagick.com has the download. Let me know in the comments if that file is open. Subscribing ensures you never miss another one-click solution.